Nice job. Nice job, buddy. Nice. Oh, that one's very heavy.
That one's big.
So we did this. How big? Where's the
scale?
Okay, scale on the right here. You see that?
Here's the bed, right? But I went far. See it goes to the left. There's a bed right there. It's coming back. Big fish.
You go ahead first.
So far away you can't tell. See it? There's two of them.
Oh yeah. I saw it. That side, huh? Right? Oh, I saw the two. You got one, huh? You got one.
I got one. I don't know if it's the bigger one or the small one.
Oh, Lucas had a big one. Oh, nice.
Oh, a fighter.
Yes.
Oh, there's three.
Oh.
Look at him.
Another?
Coming with it.
Oh yeah. Holy cow. 5 pounds. Yep. Another 5 pounds.
Wow.
You know?
Not yet. But I'm fighting. There we go. Oh, big one.
Nice.
Oh, long too.
What?
Really long. Kind of long.
1 second. Got it. Nice. Beautiful. Oh, a net here.
I don't want to break another one off.
Yep. Oh, another 5 pounds.
Wow. Yeah, I hopped it just right and jumped on it. It's a little smaller than I thought.
No, it's good.
Yeah.
Good size.
Thanks, buddy.
Oh.
I want to get a picture of this. Oh, I've never seen that. Holy cow! Oh, big!
Oh my god.
Oh! Sorry, did I?
We need to weigh.
Yeah. Oh.
We need to weigh this. Oh my god.
Oh, it hit her in the nose.
Huh?
She didn't even bite it.
1 second, huh?
You need your tool.
Okay.
Right there by your right foot. I just want to get a picture of that face.
High a little bit. Turn around. Oh no, just a straight. Yes. Oh, this one. Yeah.
Okay, take a picture of that face, could you?
Nice.
Oh, that's a 5.
Beautiful.
I'll put her back.
Good job, buddy.
Nice. She wasn't acting like she was gonna bite at all either.
Yep. You saw that anything?
So that one right there we caught already?
Oh, we already caught?
Yep. You see it? But there's one further up here.
Cut again. Oh, another. It's coming. Oh,
You got it.
You fight again. Nice. You already taped me. Whoa.
Nice.
You take videos, huh? I gotta take pictures.
Nice. Yeah. Okay. So much fun. Remember last time we came here? Wasn't that much fun?
Yep.
That's a little. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, they were all school.
Good job.
Yeah.
That's a good job.
I don't want to get a hook in my hand. Catching them on top water is fun.
Yep. Oh. Nice. That's a picture.
Nice. Yes. Super fun. Super fun.
They bite me. They're very mad too. Oh no. I need to catch in this. Got it! Nice. Oh my gosh. Another big one. Another big one. Thanks. Oh no. Boy. Holy. Another 3.5 and 4 pounds. Oh, you missed the one? Oh, let me see. Holy cow. Beautiful. Thank you. You saw that?
Yeah. I don't want to move.
Go ahead.
I bit it twice and I missed her. Oh, I missed her.
You missed that? Got it.
3 times I've missed this girl.
Wait a little bit. You just wait a little bit.
I'm in her bed, but she took off. I'm hoping she'll come back.
You move a little bit, boat. Too close, maybe.
Oh, I'm right on her, yeah. She went that way. Oh, she got it. Oh, wow. Look at her.
Oh, that's the size of the big. You catching that? You catching it? I tape your videos right now. Got it! Nice!
Oh, look at that.
Oh! Hey, buddy!
Come on, eh? Oh, she's bad.
This one 5 pounds. Tell you.
Wow.
One second. Just. Wow.
So glad we came here.
That's super fun, huh?
Yeah. Super clear water.
Yeah. Alright, I'll slow down because there will be some large ones.
Right here, almost like 1 feet.
Yep. There's one right
Oh.
there, but I don't think you'll get to
Yeah, I see a lot of fish too. So usually a lot of people go this way?
No.
No.
No. Not with this size boat anyway.
Oh yeah. Oh, the fish. See that?
Yeah.
See the fish? Oh, bigger fish. Oh my gosh. Oh, see the fish right here. See the fish? Oh, a little bit bump. It's not bad.
Not bad.
Hit the woods.